The Bombay High Court on Friday, October 29, granted bail to Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan in connection with the drugs case. After being in custody for 25 days, there were shocking allegations against the Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB), which carried out the arrest of extortion and not following proper protocol. This is not the first time that the NCB has grabbed headlines by arresting and investigating high-profile celebrities. Let's have a look at some of these high-profile cases and how they have panned out under NCB. In 2020, the NCB handled two cases, one involving the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's then-girlfriend actress Rhea Chakrabarti, and the other involving A-list actors like Deepika Padukone, Arjun Rampal and Sara Ali Khan. In the first case, the NCB had stepped up after an ED investigation which revealed chats with Rhea discussing drugs. Her conversations led to the arrest of 33 people in the case, including herself, in September. While Rhea and most others were released on bail in the case, some of the alleged drug peddlers are still under arrest. The investigation resulted in a 12,000-page charge sheet in March 2021, but the trial in the case is yet to begin. The other case that involved people like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and others was launched shortly after Chakrabarti's case. The agency even seized the actors' mobile phones only to discover that they had calls between the actors' drivers. The agency sent the phones for forensic examination, but no report has been made public yet and no one has been arrested in this case. While the other case had a 12,000-page charge sheet, NCB has no charge sheet to show for in this case even after a year has passed. The NCB in the past year had spent a lot of time to bust the drug racket in Mumbai but has so far been unable to control its supply or arrest a big player in the drug trafficking network. Instead, many are now raising questions about the NCB's pattern of raiding high-profile parties using vague WhatsApp chats and recovering relatively small quantities of drugs. For instance, in the Aryan Khan cruise drug bust, the NCB has claimed to have seized 13 grams of cocaine, 21 grams of charas and 22 pills of ecstasy, along with 5 grams of MD. In 2020, as the NCB was putting all its energy in these high-profile cases, it failed to file charge sheets in the required format within a stipulated period of 180 days in 4 drug cases. This then led to the release of a suspect on bail who was allegedly caught with commercial quantities of drugs. He was arrested with large quantities of contraband, including thousands of tablets, at his Andheri residence. In another instance in 2020, a Nigerian national who was accused of possessing commercial quantities of contraband was let out on bail because the NCB failed to file a charge sheet. He was allegedly found with 500 grams of mephedrone, 490 grams of pink MDMA tablets and 75 grams of grey MDMA tablets. Just last month, heroin worth 21,000 crore rupees was seized from a container in the Adani Group-operated Mundra port in Gujarat. The containers in which the heroin was hidden was officially carrying talcum powder and were being imported by an obscure firm in Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. The consignment was to be delivered to one Kuldeep Singh in Delhi, but the NCB is yet to trace them as the name and the address turned out to be fake. In contrast, all the high-profile cases are turning out to be media frenzy spectacles with leaked WhatsApp chats and unending speculations. But so far, the NCB has been unable to show any results with their Bollywood drug mafia angle. A Federal Report.